Good morning. Welcome to owl ear measurements. To do this, here's what you're going to do. You have a set of pictures of owls, barn owls, and you also have a picture of the skulls of a barn owl showing the location of the ears. So, in order to move skulls, you should have highlighted the little select arrow button here at the top. Select the skull, drag it across, and place it so the eye on the left side matches up. Now there's a really interesting tool here in Google Slides that says Zoom, where you can take the magnifying glass, click on it once or twice, and then you can click back to the arrow and then line up the owl's eye with the left side, and then you can resize, because it's right here is the eye, and you can resize the face so that the eyes line up. So here's the eye here, and I'm just moving the eye here to make it about the same size. So that looks about right. Here's the eye here. Here's the eye here. I click back on the magnifying glass and I can zoom out to 100%, and then I can drag my skull to the ruler, and what we can do now is measure from the top of the ear to the eye using this scale. Okay, so to do that, I can also use my arrow buttons on my keyboard. And it looks like the top of the eye is right around 0.8. So the top left, I will put 0.8. That would be millimeters or centimeters. And then I just use my arrow keys. Click back on the picture and use my arrow keys. This time I want to measure from the top of the eye to the top of the ear. And it looks like the top of the ear is 0.5 centimeters. So the difference would be 0.3 centimeters. Now what I would do is then click back on the data, place the value here, owl number 1, and then the value here, 0.3 centimeters. And then I would repeat that through the 10 owls that I have.